Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got in. Me and Max went to this Mommy and Me class here and it was tons of fun. So this is why I got a wristband. So I've been clubbing. Y'all, let me show y'all my outfit before we get in the video. So I got this vest. If you remember, I thrifted this not too long ago. And y'all, never mind my background because I am redecorating my whole house. All right, y'all, so I have the vest on with my sweatpants. Well, these are like windbreaker pants. They're like starter, like throwback. I thrifted these for $3. They are in one of my thrifted hauls here, and then a white t-shirt. The reason for this vest is because you guys know that I'm breastfeeding and I need something to cover the girls just in case I have a little leakage with this white shirt. And then I paired it with, you know, some finger jewelry and some necklace and my sunglasses. That's what we have. And we're in the music room and this is under construction. So let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these figures down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Alright, as I was saying, so far today we have went to a Mommy and Me class and we're back. Well, we went to Target shopping for some just little things. We're about to go out of town later on this week, so we're just getting like knickknacks and just like things that we're gonna need. And then we came back here. I had to eat lunch here, right, Max? I had to eat. Mommy had to eat lunch. So yeah, I ate some lunch, and as y'all can see, clothes, and I am about to fold those and clean up Max's room. I've showed you guys his room before. I don't think I've showed you guys like my house. I don't plan to, but I am doing some redecorating, so I'll probably show you guys little bits and pieces there. I don't know, like I felt like after I had Max, I wanted to do my whole house over. And so I'm finally taking my time and doing it. So I like to just take all the pictures off of the walls. Y'all. Take all the pictures off of the wall. And just think of things that I want to add in those spaces. So I kind of leave them blank and I kind of brainstorm. I just really brainstorm what. Y'all, he is in my hair. Get out of my hair, bud. Get out of my hair. And just brainstorm what I want those spaces to do. So that is on the list for this week. I'm trying this Vlogtober-ish content here. This is not normally my content. I don't vlog. I do here and there like monthly vlogs, but I just kind of wanted to try it out for October so you guys will get like a sprinkle of vlogs here and there of just like what I'm doing during the day or maybe a week. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start out first, y'all. First I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these clothes, and then I'm gonna clean his room, and then I'll show you guys after. But I think I do have a meeting at 7 today, and then I want to go to HomeSense. I have to return a picture, but I think I probably would do that tomorrow. But let's see what I'll get off of my list. You see the list here. I don't know what I'm gonna get off of the list, so stay tuned while I'm getting terrorized back here in the back. So I want to show y'all what I do for this in Max's room. So these are his pajamas. These are his two-piece pajamas, and then these are his sleepers, and then these are like regular clothes, like onesies, some shoes, t-shirts, things that I can like grab. And then yeah, these Dollar Tree extra storage on the closet space. And y'all, I still use my organizers for the drawers, onesies, bibs. So they are still getting used. Alright, so I'm not sure if y'all could hear me because Max was asleep, but on the door I bought that thing from the little chute rack. I bought that from Walmart. It was like $6. I think it's super convenient. Like if someone's coming into town, like Marcus' mom is coming into town this week, I already have his pajamas up there. I have like things that she could just grab. She doesn't have to like look for outfits. I normally put outfits already there. I'm a minimalist, so I don't buy a lot of clothes. Because babies grow out of clothes so fast, so honestly I only buy clothes that he's in or he's gonna get ready to wear. And so that is mainly what's in the closet that's hanging up, like 2-piece sets, and then clothes that he can't wear that people have purchased for him. Those are the things that are in the closet. And the organizer on the door, that was Dollar Tree, and it did come in handy. Like I put a lot of things on there. He normally has his robe, towel, and then his bathtub on there. And then I am in the guest room, his bathroom, and I want to show y'all our little setup that we have, since I am putting the washcloths back into the space. So let me show you. Show y'all this. But this whole section is dedicated to Max. So I have his wash, the shampoo that he uses. And then I have the conditioner right here. And then I have this shampoo. I haven't used this shampoo yet. I'm not sure if I will use it, but I did purchase it. It's a wash and shampoo together. It's supposed to be free of toxins and all of that, but we'll see about that. And so I need to buy him some more soap, and so his soap goes right here too. And then basically what I have is his towels in this one, and then all of his washcloths in this one. And so whenever we're taking a bath, whenever he's, you know, bathing, we could just come and do it like that. And let me show y'all how I stock them.
Just a phase of make you wanna have to taste. Just a smile that drives you crazy for a while. Then I told them nothing wrong with me, yeah, love. Baby, no, nah. Can't give yourself to me, you'll never be wrong. If the love is true, oh baby, oh.
Alright guys, I am back. I am about to go into HomeSense. I have to return this picture right here. If you guys can see it. We originally bought this for our music room, but then we slowly kind of was like, we don't really drink like that, and we don't want that to be the first thing that people see when they come into our house. So we're gonna return that. And then we got another picture I'll show you when I get home It's a ace of spade. I think Marcus is going to use that for his room, but I did keep it just in case. We're trying to change our music room around, and I'll post a inspo picture right here. And I kind of want it to be like this moody, sexy room. Currently there's no like toys in that room, and I just want one room to not have toys. So come on, I'm gonna take y'all in here. This is the picture. It's a sexy picture, but it's just not for us. So come on, let's go. Y'all, I am back. Oh, look at all this stuff. Y'all. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm redoing my whole house. I'm reorganizing so many things in my house. And I'm a little OCD when it comes to things like this. Y'all. And Marcus, I can hear Marcus' voice. One room at a time. Y'all, it took me so long to furnish our whole house when we first bought the house. I promise you, the first year we had nothing, and that was on purpose so I could move around the space and get what I really wanted, and that is exactly what I did. So with this redecorating, this is probably gonna be the final redecorating, and then we'll probably move on to our next house. But y'all, I am redoing let me sit y'all. Hold on. Okay, the lighting is bad, but y'all, I do have my seatbelt on. It's just around my waist. But, and the AC is going, so I hope you guys can hear me. So yeah, so I am doing my guest bedroom. And for the longest, I've been wanting to like change the color. I have a duvet that's in my guest room, and it's white. And you know, I've been having like a lot of guests come, and sometimes I just don't want to deal with like that space being white all the time. And so yeah, I think I want something a little different. So I got a green comforter, and I'll show y'all everything that I got. And then I had to stop by and get some food, y'all, from Bad Daddy. I love their sandwiches. So yeah, I just got that. And then I have to jump on this meeting at 7. It is now 6:35. So I'll be jumping on that when I get home. But hopefully I'll get there and show you guys what I purchased. And then, you know, eat. And then I have to pump. Ah! My life! Y'all, pumping is my life. Pumping. Oh my god. So yes, I haven't pumped since earlier today.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Which is crazy. So I know my breasts are full. And so I'm gonna pump before I get on the call. Or during the call. First things first, I'm gonna eat, baby, because I'm hungry. So yeah, that's what I'm basically gonna do. Yeah, so I will call y'all back shortly. Just got finished with my call. Y'all see my pumpkin back there? I'm doing a photo shoot with a Max. Maybe tomorrow or the day after. Maybe you guys will see it in this vlog. It'll be another DIY project. Maybe I'll make that a separate vlog. But I wanted to show you guys what I purchased from HomeSense. and what I purchased from Ross. Yeah, I went to HomeSense, I went to Burlington, I went to Marshalls, and then I went to Ross. And I should have just went to Ross, because Ross be having some great comforters. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, and then I'm gonna end the day, and I'm gonna start a new one. I'm tired. Look at my eyes. I'm so tired. Alright guys, so I am in my guest room, and I'll show you guys how it looked before, if I have a video. I don't think I have a video, but I think I have a video. But these, I bought this picture, 2 pictures. It is green, gold, black, and this is the comforter that I got. This picture was $34, and this is the comforter. This comforter was $44. It feels so soft. Okay, so this is my inspo for the guest room. I want it kind of like a sage green color. But yeah, y'all, this will end my day. So stay tuned for the rest of the week. I'll see you on the next one.